Hey everybody, and welcome to another spontaneous toy review. I'm your host, Scott Zillmer, and this is Toy Wizards. That's toy-wizards.com. And today's toy is Dead Prime. It says Alternate Universe Optimus Prime Sleep Mode. That sleep mode, my friends, is a dirt nap. This Prime is dead. Dead. At least he was dead because they were like, hey, we'll kill him off and give you Hot Rod, and everyone's just gonna want to love Hot Rod forever. And the kids went, no! And so they brought him back to life later on and said, hey, Rodimus Prime, you're back to Hot Rod. And he's like, I'm cool with that. I like Hot Rod. I like Rodimus Prime. I do. I love those guys. Let's take a look at this Dead Prime. It was an Amazon exclusive. You can only buy it on Amazon Prime. Or, I mean, I bought it for Amazon Prime. I thought that was kind of neat, too. Amazon Prime, I got him. Boom. Delivered to my door. As soon as I made the article, I ordered 2 for myself. This is one of them, just to open. And the good thing is, the box came damaged. So, box opens up kind of like his Matrix would. And then you just pull the toy out. Done. Great. I already pre-cut these ties because there was a couple of them and I didn't want to mess with that. Boop. The great thing about Dead Prime is that he comes on his own little bed that you can sit here and just sleep on because he's sleep mode. No, he's dead. Let's go ahead and pull him off of that, set him down for a second, and take a look at this beautiful trailer. The trailer does transform into a work bay. That's what the original one did as well. They just never showed it to you in the instructions. I'm serious. The original Optimus Prime was a bay for him to stand up like that, and other ones to stand up like that and get repaired, fixed, modified it, change the tires, put in a new stereo, whatever they needed, that was done in one of these little bays. There's no roller for this, which is a little upsetting, but hey, we can't get everything we want in the world. That closes, this closes, and bam, you've got yourself a very nice gray trailer. So I'm happy with that. Let's take a look at Dead Prime. Dead Prime is a very nice figure. This Optimus Prime body that they chose is probably one of the best modern Optimus Primes I've ever had. I really like it. This is a different head. He is a little beaten up with the paint apps, and one of his antennas is all bent over. The gray, the grayscale colors look good on him. I mean, he's not totally Nemesis Prime, but he could definitely be like Nemesis Prime soldiers and then Nemesis Prime, and then like Optimus Prime has to fight a bunch of them. That's kind of cool. I like that. Gun comes in all silver, chrome. Great. He's fantastic. Let's go ahead and take out his gun and open up his chest, because this is where you want to get into good stuff. You open up that chest. There is the Matrix of Leadership. It comes out. Kind of, if you don't have giant sausage fingers. And it is in color. So the rest of him's all kind of grayed out except for this little area around and for the Matrix, which is nice. That's a very nice added detail to that. Transforms into a rig like everyone does. He just goes. You want to see it? All right. Fine, I'll transform him. That could only go horribly wrong on TV, right? So I'm going to start flipping his head up and over. Get this part. Don't worry, I have done this at least one time, right? My other Prime. Legs are real easy. They just kind of, fit together. They got little clips, and then his feet go in. Boom. And move that up. He's almost there. He's getting there, right? What always gets me, and it might get you, there's 2 little tabs behind his waist that have to flip down. If you don't flip those down, he will not transform. and it will drive you batty until you look in the instructions. I totally didn't do that twice now. So with that, we're going to flip up, and I love the transformation for this where so much of it is just piled inside of his chest, and it has an accordion type where this piece folds in, and this piece folds in, and this piece folds in, and then you can put them out, and boom, you're getting this Optimus Prime rig part, which is a 1980s Freightliner. And some of you might say, Scott, I heard a rumor that you bought a Freightliner? And yeah, I did. I'm Scott Zillner, and I want to talk to you about Project Prime, where I'm going to take this giant truck and turn him into my most beloved toy, Optimus Prime. I have an Optimus Prime rig just sitting there so that I could play Optimus Prime at some point full scale. It's a true story. All right, these arms are folding in, and we are almost done with our Optimus Prime transformation. The old Prime transforms much easier. He just kind of folds over and done and done. But bam, there you go. You got your Optimus Prime, you got your rig, and he can drive around dead, I guess, because it's Dead Prime! Now, there is an alternate mode. They do not give you in the instructions, but I'm going to show you how to do it. You get your Prime, and you fold these legs down, you open them up, and then you fold down the back leg and push those back a little bit. And now you've got Chicken Walker Prime. Get the gun, put the gun on one side, unless you snap the barrel off, don't hold it by the barrel. Gun folds up and it can go into the back when he's in rig mode. That just folds up in there. But they have all these little joint systems so they can add on stuff. And bam, there you go. Now you've got Chicken Walker Optimus Prime. Can walk around like a Gearwalk or a Battle Pod from Robotech. Yeah. So that's my own little mode. I figured out what to do with Optimus Prime. There you go. You're welcome. This was like $40 or $50 on Amazon. They are long sold out. It's just second market now. Sorry about that, everybody. But you will need to hunt them down on your own, and I am not giving you mine. So, there we go. That just folds right on in there. Bam. That is on there. We're all good to go. This is an excellent toy. It is a great Optimus Prime. You can still get the Earthrise Optimus Prime at some places. I'm sure they will reissue him at some point with an even another, even more so Prime, like Optimus Prime. They just do that all the time, Prime. I don't doubt that one bit. Hey, what do you do with those pants? Sorry. I just love this. Why wasn't that not the way it's supposed to? That needs to fold in. It is like an accordion. There you go. That folds in. That folds in. And turn them around. Feet. And there we go. I'm a little teapot. There's Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime Dead Mode was available at Amazon. It is gone. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about teasing you, but it is a very nice figure. I really love this Prime. I love the transformation modes. I love the way that he works. And man, I wish they made all of their toys as nice and as fun as this one, because it is a blast. And let's get his blaster. We're going to be a blast. Right, Optimus Prime? You got it, Scott. Blaster fell out of his hand. That's my fault. There you go, everybody. I really like this toy. It's colorway is amazing. The fact they gave us a Dead Prime colorway. I know Super 7 did one for their Super Cyborg line, and that was kind of like a Comic-Con exclusive for a while. And that one doesn't transform, so some people didn't like it, but that's the toy line that it was made for. I do have a third-party axe. Would you like to hold an evil-looking axe, Dead Prime? Yeah, he would. See? He looks mean there. There's a Live Prime and Dead Prime. Or not Dead Prime and Dead Prime. Let's think how it would go. Blammo! Remember, Toy Dash Wizards for your daily toy news. Watch us on YouTube now. We're putting lots of new content on YouTube. We're on Instagram. We're on Facebook. We're on Twitter. Toy Dash Wizards. Support us so we can keep giving you these kind of great reviews. And if this one was not that great, I'm sure other ones are better. And check them out. Thank you very much. Please.